Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make these 3 different logos that I've created for a technologies company. So first of all, let's grab this. We can pull it down here to use as a reference. So first of all, let's do the outer circle. The circle tool. Like that. I'm going to change color. And then I used a C here in order to create this negative space. So take the type tool, write a C, and then let's find a C that we would like to insert here. So let's make it a little bit bigger. Let's see. Let's take. Let's use this one, for example. Let's make it as bold as possible. Now this is not going to be exactly the same, obviously, because I'm not using the same font, but I'd like to double click on this. So now we can change the size. If you want it to be sure that it lines up perfectly, you can draw 2 lines. Like that, for example. Then let's grab both of these. Put it in the middle like that. Now it's easier to see that it lines up. Okay, let's say like that, for example. So now you can delete these 2 lines. Press on the C, right click, and then we want to create outline. That's in order for it that it's going to create an outline and it's not going to behave like a font anymore. So create outline. So now we'll be able to use this tool, the shape builder tool. Hold Alt or Option on Mac, and it's Alt on PC. And we just want to, so we have a minus there by the cursor, because then we're going to delete. So then we're going to create the negative space, like that. So now we have something similar to this. Yeah, that's that. Let's do this logo here. As you can see, there's a lot of circles, so let's create the circles first. I'm going to create a stroke for it so we can see, and then I'm going to remove the fill, like that. So we can count here 1, 2, and then we'll need 3, 4, 5. 5 circles. Then when you have, you'll see here, center, in the purple text in the center, you'll see there, one like that. Drag it out. Holding Alt, you copy. Now we have the outer two, that one and this one here. Now we need to create the inner circle. And let's draw 2 lines from the center. You can hold shift on PC, then it's gonna lock into each 45 degrees. So let's do like that. Draw another line from the center. Like so. Select it all. Use the shape builder tool. We can hold Alt on PC to remove. Remove these like that. Remove that, that. And now let's create a fill, for example, black. So yeah, now there we have something similar. You can play around with the different sizes of the circles to get whichever shape you would like. So now we have that one. And then let's create the last one. This one. So again, I did a circle on PC, holding Shift and Alt. You get it perfectly resized, so it doesn't skew like this. So holding Shift, you perfectly size it like that, and then when you hold Alt, you drag it out from the center. That, for example, I'm going to do the same thing here. Remove the fill, add a stroke, makes it a lot easier to work with. Something like that. And then we want to create this inner circle. Holding Alt, dragging. Let's resize this. Like that. And then I want to create this, the inner part of it as well. Holding Alt, copying it, holding Shift in order to size it, make it a perfect circle. Something like that. And one last circle. Like that, for example. What we want to do now, create these lines, drag them out, holding Shift on PC in order to keep them horizontally, like that. Want to do the same thing inside here. Like that. select it all, use this, the shape builder tool, create the negative space, holding Alt or Option on Mac while having left click pressed, like that. Now we've created this. We want to create this as well, like that. And now we go and add a fill, like that. And I like to remove the stroke, like that. So there we go. Now we've created 3 different logos. If you would like for me to create your logo, just type it in the comments or visit my website. Anyways, I hope you learned a lot from this video, and hope you have a good day. Bye bye.